Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is March 21st, 2026, and here are the latest AI updates. Google rewrites news headlines. Windows trims Copilot integrations. Google expands shopping agents. WordPress.com lets AI manage sites. This episode is sponsored by Rocket Routine. Run your company with an AI operating system built for founders who want to move fast without losing control. Google has started replacing news headlines in its search results with AI-generated headlines. The company calls the work a small and narrow experiment, but would not say how small. This follows similar AI rewrites in Google Discover. For example, it shortened a Verge headline about trying a cheat on everything AI tool down to 5 words, altering meaning. Google says the test uses generative AI to identify titles that better match queries and increase engagement, and added that a full launch would not use generative models. Editors warn the practice undermines publishers' control and could erode trust in search. Microsoft is pulling back Copilot integrations in Windows 11, removing the assistant from Photos, Widgets, Notepad, and the snipping tool, and narrowing where the AI appears. The change follows user feedback and growing concern about AI bloat and trust. A Pew Research study found half of U.S. adults are more concerned than excited about AI as of June 2025, up from 37% in 2021. Microsoft earlier scaled back Copilot plans and delayed Windows Recall, which launched last April and still has security vulnerabilities. Other updates include taskbar positioning, more update control, faster file explorer, improved widgets, and an updated feedback hub and insider program.
Ad break.
Your company has a strategy, but does it actually reach your team every single day? Most founders spend more time managing the system than running the business. Rocket Routine OS connects goals to daily execution using AI operators that work while you focus on what matters. Less firefighting, more output. Join the waitlist at rocket-routine.com. Google has expanded the Universal Commerce Protocol with cart, catalog, and identity features so AI agents can shop more seamlessly. Agents can add multiple items at once into a merchant's cart, retrieve real-time product details, prices, variants, and availability, and carry a logged-in buyer identity so loyalty and membership benefits persist across UCP platforms. Google intends to integrate UCP into AI mode in Search and the Gemini app, and to use Merchant Center to onboard smaller sellers. Partners such as Commerce Inc., Salesforce, and Stripe plan to support UCP, which launched earlier with Shopify, Etsy, Wayfair, Target, Walmart, and more than 20 others, including Visa and Zalando. WordPress.com will now allow AI agents to draft, edit, and publish content on customer sites and manage comments, metadata, tags, and categories. Site owners control agents through natural language commands. The change makes it possible to create and run websites largely via AI agents, lowering the barrier to publishing and increasing machine-authored material. WordPress powers over 43% of websites. WordPress.com's network sees 20 billion page views and 409 million unique visitors monthly. The rollout builds on MCP support introduced last fall, letting AI apps like Claude, Cursor, or ChatGPT access site context. All agent actions are tracked in the activity log and require user approval by default. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.